Hey, what's going everyone? Welcome back again on the Foxtecc YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be talking about how you can change the wake duration of the Apple Watch. It's all really simple, so let's get into it right now. For this, you don't even need the iPhone around, as it's all done through the Apple Watch settings. So unlock your watch, get inside the settings app, and as you are on the main settings page, just scroll towards the bottom a little until you see the display and brightness menu. In this one, there you can obviously adjust the brightness, but also a little bit below, there is the menu called Wake Duration. Get in there, and all you need to do now is to decide how long you want to have it. It's not really that versatile, if I'm being honest, because there are only two options which you can pick from. It can either be 15 seconds or 70 seconds, which seems kind of weirdly specific, but that's just how it is. So choose whichever option you prefer, and this essentially means that after the last touch of the screen, the display will stay on for the chosen period of time. You might also be interested in the always on feature as well, as it is kind of related in the sense that you can also decide that the screen will not go black completely, but it'll stay on for as long as you keep the watch on your wrist. And that's it for me. I hope I could help you out with this. If I did, please leave a like below, and you can also tell me about it down below in the comments. I really appreciate every comment, so go ahead and do so. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.